Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Chase debit card PIN easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your Chase debit card PIN, begin by locating your Chase mobile app or website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Select the option for Manage Debit Card. Look for Change PIN or Reset PIN and click on it. You will then be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or text. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you can enter your new PIN. Make sure your new PIN is memorable but secure. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again. After this step, you should receive a confirmation that your PIN has been changed. If you prefer, you can also reset your PIN at a Chase ATM. Insert your debit card into the ATM. Select your preferred language if prompted. Choose the option for PIN change from the menu. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your current PIN. Then, enter your new PIN and confirm it. The ATM will process your request, and you'll receive a receipt for your records. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact Chase customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.